Hey there, this is Brian Gavigan with the Yellow Design Stunt Team. We're at the Yellow Zone in Woodward Skate Park in Denver, Colorado, and I'm going to teach you how to do a wheelie. It is a classic trick. All you need is your bike and a helmet. It helps to have a little bit of an uphill. It's going to help because you're going to be pedaling pretty fast to get speed to keep your front wheel up. If you want to feather your brake while you're doing it, that's helpful. You also want to be mindful if that front tire is coming back too fast, just hop off the pedals and walk your bike or run if you're going fast. Don't keep your feet on the pedals if you feel that front end coming up. Get off and that's going to be the safest way to do it. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to be looking forward and you're going to want to have your pedals ready for a good hard crank forward, and you're going to pull up at the same time. So as you pull up, give it a hard crank forward and lift that front wheel of the bike. Keep the pedal going so your front wheel stays up. You're going to find it's a little bit of balance and a little bit of momentum that's going to keep you upright. Practice wheelies wherever you go and you'll have them in no time.